In this video, we will discuss solutions to the connection pending error, which has been frequently encountered on Instagram lately. While Instagram occasionally experiences issues due to updates and some arise spontaneously, there is a recent problem that's been frustrating users: the connection pending error. Unfortunately, the exact cause of this error isn't entirely clear. It typically occurs when uploading a new story to Instagram stories. The issue may stem from internet connection problems or an incorrect link address, but this problem can manifest even when there are no apparent issues with these factors. As a result, you may find yourself unable to view the Instagram story you shared, while some or all of your followers can. So what should you do when you encounter this problem? Check your internet connection. The connection pending error typically occurs due to a weak or intermittent internet connection. First, ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is strong and stable. Update the Instagram application. Instagram regularly releases app updates. If your Instagram app is not up to date, this error may occur. Check your App Store to update the application to the latest version. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connection issues. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Verify the connection. If you are using connection-changing tools like VPN or proxy, disable them and try a direct connection. Additionally, check your modem and router. Browser issues. If you are using Instagram through a browser, clear the browser cache or try using a different browser. Contact Instagram support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, you can contact Instagram's support team. Submit a support request through the Help or Support sections within the Instagram app. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve the connection pending error on Instagram. If the problem persists, contacting Instagram support for personalized assistance is recommended. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments that come to your mind. Thanks for watching.